Hey guys, it's Zach from Studio Z and DNP here with another quick tip for your 620A printer. Right now, I've got a blinking paper error, and it's the result of a jam. Maybe I was at an event and a kid had his hands right on the cutter, and when the print spat out, they hit it, caused a jam in the mechanism, and now we're getting this error. It's a super easy fix. All you're gonna do is open the tray, pop open the printer top, and we'll take out our scraps bin. Let's at this time also dump and throw out any of those scraps because they will continue to cause issues. And as we roll this paper back, there it is. We got a huge crinkle in the paper. That's going to cause a jam every time. But it's a good thing I have a pair of scissors from my emergency kit ready to go. We'll just feed this out a little bit, and we're just going to try to go as straight across as we can and cut off that bad piece of paper. Bye. And then, as you normally do, roll it under, wait for the 3 beeps, got it. We'll pop the scraps bin back in, the top closed, let it do its calibration, and you'll be back in action.